Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Thursday and Friday we studied about a poem. What was name of our poem? The name of Saturday we studied Magic Seed poem, and on Friday yesterday we studied Who Are You? Correct or not? 6 students are taking part in that. First student, second, third. First child is saying, hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? Then what second child will say? I am a white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Again, then third child is saying something. Then again second child will give answer to it. Okay. And at last sixth child says, hello, who are you? Then what second child says? I am a smart white rabbit. I eat vegetables. And at that time only, what happens? Sixth child says that I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbits. In this way we studied on Thursday poem, and yesterday Friday we studied a lesson, Who Are You? Today we are going to learn lesson number 6 of unit 2. Okay, what is name of our lesson? Be quick. Are you understanding or be quick? Now what is be quick? Listen and say. Listen to the names of the vegetables and add other names to it. What you have to do? You have to listen to the names of vegetables. Now it is a game actually. It is game based. You have to play this game by using various different categories. Okay. Yeah. First one is speak. Speak. What speak? Okay. What is if the teacher is saying speak, that time then students will say what speak. Okay. If I am a teacher, then I will say speak. Students will say what speak. Then teacher will say vegetables name, be quick. Okay. And then when I will say vegetables name, then you have to tell me vegetables name. One child will say tomato, then I will say be quick. Other one will say potato. Okay, be quick. Then radish, be quick. Understood? In same way, we are going to study this activity based lesson. Okay. Here it is told that speak. What speak? Vegetables name, be quick. Tomato, be quick. Potato, be quick. Radish, be quick. Now these all names who will tell? Students are saying. Okay. Tomato, potato, radish, onion. Where is onion? Picture of onion is not given. Radish is given. Okay. Cauliflower, lady's finger. Okay. Carrot is there. Lady's finger is there. Peas. So here it is told that speak. What speak? Vegetables name, be quick. Tomato, be quick. Potato, be quick. Radish, be quick. Onion, be quick. Cauliflower, be quick. Lady's finger, be quick. Carrot, be quick. Peas, be quick. Oh, I didn't get it. Understood or not? One child will say what? Oh, I didn't get it. So this is a game actually. Okay. When teacher will say speak, then you will tell what speak. If I will tell, if I will say you names of places, then you have to start telling names of places. For example, Rahata, be quick. Korale, be quick. Sri Rampur, be quick. Understood? When I will say names of places, then you have to tell everyone will tell names of places. If I will tell you names of fruits, then you have to tell me names of fruits. Okay. In the same way, it is told that activity is taken. It is a game which is played in the classroom. We are not able to play. But if I will say speak, immediately what you will say from there? What speak? Okay. Speak. What speak? Vegetables name, be quick. Potato, be quick. Tomato, be quick. Carrot, be quick. Radish, be quick. Lady's fingers, be quick. Peas, be quick. Onion, be quick. And one child will say, I didn't get it. If the thinking of or then the child has not thought anything about vegetables, then he said, I didn't get it. Means what? Who lost? The child who said that I didn't get it, he lost. Are you understanding or? If I say now second, speak. What speak? Fruits names, be quick. Mango, be quick. Strawberry, be quick. Chiku, be quick. Guava, be quick. Come on, tell more. Banana, be quick. Orange, be quick. Grapes, be quick. I didn't get it. One child will not think anything. Then what he will say? I didn't get it. Then that child is going to be out of the game. Okay, if I will say then speak, speak. You say what? Speak. Then if I will tell what I can tell you more. Flower's name. Okay. Speak, speak. What? Speak. Flowers names. Rose, be quick. Jasmine, be quick. Come on, tell. Lily, be quick. Forgot. Correct or not? You should be little fast. Your brain should run fast. You should immediately find out names of flowers. Now I got only 3 flowers. I know many names of flowers, but when we are playing game, at that time you should remember names of flowers. You should remember names of places. You should remember names of fruits. You should remember names of vegetables. This is a activity based lesson. Have you understood? You can play this with your friend also. Are you understanding or not? You are at home now. If you are brother and sister at home, or you are some 2-3 brothers and 2-3 sisters at home, you can play this game. It will increase your vocabulary also, and you will remember names of fruits, you will remember names of flowers, you will remember names of places. Like that you can have this game at home. You can play this game at home. Here it is told that play the game using different categories like fruits, colors. Now colors also we can do. Speak, speak. What? Speak. Colors names. Be quick. Red, be quick. Green, be quick. Blue, be quick. White, be quick. Yellow, be quick. Orange, be quick. Black, be quick. Red, be quick. Come on, tell more colors. Indigo, be quick. Saffron, be quick. Violet, be quick. In this way you have to play game. Now if we will study about animals, then speak, speak. What? Speak. Animals names. Be quick. Cow, be quick. Buffalo, be quick. Dog, be quick. Cat, be quick. Come on, tell names of animals. Donkey, be quick. Horse, be quick. Elephant, be quick. Lion, be quick. Are you understanding or not? Be quick. Who will say? Teacher will say, and students in the class will give answers of all. The names of all animals, then names of fruits, names of flowers. Have you understood or not? In this way you have to play game at home. You can try with your mother also. Okay, your mother can ask you question. Understood? In this way here teacher is saying some words and students are giving answers. Can you see here? Students are giving what? Students are giving answer to the question. Now here it is told that play the game using different categories like fruits, colors, animals, etc. Now if I will tell birds, if we will study birds, if I will say speak, speak, you will say what? Speak. I will say birds names. Be quick. Peacock, be quick. Parrot, be quick. Sparrow, be quick. Ostrich, be quick. Come on, tell. Crow, be quick. More. Flamingo, for example. Flamingo, be quick. Come on, tell animals names. Birds names. In this way you have to remember everything. You should able to find out. You should able to remember names of birds. You should be able to remember names of trees. You should be able to remember names of animals, places. Correct? Normally we can even tell names of states. Now you are just in first standard, so for you it is little difficult. But then states, correct? Maharashtra, there are total 29 states. You can take example of states. You can take examples of flowers, fruits. Correct? Then some eatables, dishes. Yes or no? Eatables are there or not? Sweet dish. You can take game on that also. You can try this game at home, and it is very easy, and there are no question answers. It is totally activity based lesson. So you have to try it at home. Okay, you have to try it at home, And some hard words are there. Please write down hard words. Find out hard words like tomato, potato, radish. Write down these words as a hard words, okay? In your notebook, write down name of a lesson and write down radish, tomato, peas. More which names are there? Cauliflower. Then carrot. Lady's finger. In this way, what you have to do, you have to write down these all words. You have to write down these all words in your English notebook. Write down, down. In one, I think so. In one page there are 6 to 7 lines, and at least you have to write down one word 7 to 8 times in one line. Okay, this is your homework for today, and I think so lesson is very interesting. If we all would be in the class, it would be very interesting lesson. But now, as I am alone here, you are not there with me, you might have not enjoyed much, but then it was good. Okay, complete your homework and send it on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.